it is, y'all. That was the culprit right there. So the starter on my Reefer went out a couple of days ago. Let's try to start this unit and see what happens. Let's see what the alarm is. Engine failed to crank. So that's the starter right there, y'all. So first up, 9/16. Disconnect the battery. Battery disconnected, no power. And by the way, right now, that's what time it is right there. I gotta grab my kids from school at 12 o'clock. And I gotta be back at the truck by 1:30. Gotta pick up this load at 2 o'clock. And this is a new starter right here. Bought it off of Amazon for about 150 bucks. All right, so, matter of fact, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the live power. I'm trying to see if I could do this in about 15 minutes. Takes me about 30, 35 minutes to grab my kids from school. This is a 17 millimeter right here. It's just 2 bolts in the back. That's one. I'm trying not to drop this bolt. That's 2. So my Reefer stopped working while I was on the load. But I was able to get it started by banging on the Start X. Alright. That's a lot quicker. And there it is, y'all. That's the culprit right there. This is pretty straightforward, man. This is just plug and play. This is a little too tight right here. bit better. All right. All right, so we're pretty much on the home stretch. Now, ideally, I like to put some terminal grease on this, but I actually ran out. Well, I didn't run out, but I had a can in the truck, but I accidentally broke the top of it, so I had to toss it out. So now I just gotta reconnect the battery. And now the unit should start. Let's see what time it is right now. So it is 11:26. So it took about 20 minutes. 9:16. I'm gonna just remove all my tools. I'm gonna start the unit. One last check, connected, bolts are good. This is good. That's it, man, we're ready. So let's start it up. Start. Now I wanted to start the unit now so I could pre-cool. Because my next load is -10, and that shipper is very strict. You know, if you go in there and it's not pre-cooled, they'll actually turn you away. They try to fine you. So the unit should be starting any second now. There it is, y'all. That was the culprit right there. Let's get some fuel, y'all. That was a quick in and out. Now it's time to hit the road. I am cutting it close to the pickup window. But I told the broker prior to booking the load. Turn signal right here is brutal, man. It's green right now, but I guarantee by the time I get there, it's gonna be red. Yep. It's brutal. It's quick. Hey, your rudder is working, driver. That was that dump truck right there. He was looking at me. And I'm hoping it doesn't take long to get loaded because my delivery is for 6 o'clock. So it's basically straight through. Once I pick it up, just hit the road. It's probably about 30, 35 miles north of Huntersville. So I'm actually going to Statesville, which is right off the 77. Come on, man, let's go. Go ahead, shorty. YouTube, we're loaded. Let's hit the road, y'all. So my appointment is for 6 o'clock. But right now my ETA is 6:24. Come on. You gonna stop or what? Let's go. traffic shouldn't be too bad. Cause where I'm getting on right here on the 77, this is exit 23. This is where the traffic normally begins on a bad day. But it's a little after 5:30 right now, so we should be good. And I really should be in that outside lane, but they recently switched up these lanes over here. Kind of caught me off guard. There's a car right next to me right now, so I really should be in the outside lane. That's on me, y'all, so I'm gonna let him go first. Then I'm gonna turn on red right now. They recently did some construction over here, so it kind of threw me off. This traffic pattern right here, this is brand new. This is brand spanking new right here. Alright, y'all. Just got my paperwork. It's time to get out of here. But this load went pretty smooth, man. I got here at roughly 6:30. It's 8 o'clock right now. I'm just getting out, so can't complain. In the Reefer road, that's a perfect delivery. Hour and a half, I'll take it. So I'm about to head back home. Tomorrow I got quite a few projects I gotta work on. It's a little tricky getting out of here. But hopefully I'll be able to wrap up a project that I'm working on. And I'll be able to drop a video so y'all can see what I've been working on. But until the next one, appreciate y'all for watching. I'm out of here, y'all. Peace out. But first we gotta buckle up, man. GPS, go home. Let's see. 1 hour and 3 minutes, 59 miles. Ain't bad. foggy out here right now.